Let's learn the names of the rooms. Here we've got bedroom, to je spalnica, bathroom, kopalnica, living room, dnevna soba, and dining room, jedilnica. Nimamo vsi doma jedilnice, ampak vseeno se moramo naučiti to besedo. Now let's play a game, pa se gremo eno igro. Bedroom, bathroom, living room, dining room. Now let's try it again. Bedroom, bathroom, living room, dining room. Let's try it one more time. Bedroom, bathroom, living room, dining room. And the last one. Bedroom, bathroom, living room, dining room. Very good. Let's go on. Here we've got the kitchen, to je kuhinja. Pantry je shramba. Toilet je prostor, kjer imamo samo stranišče, torej ni cela kopalnica, samo prostor s straniščem. And the hall, to je pa hodnik oziroma kakšen predprostor, kjer imamo čevlje, vhodna vrata, prostor za obesiti dežnik in jakno. Now let's play a game. Kitchen, pantry, toilet, hall. Now you try it. Let's try it one more time. Kitchen, pantry, toilet, hall. And the last one. Kitchen, pantry, toilet, hall. Very good. The last four names of the rooms. Here we've got the attic, to je podstrešje. The garage je garaža. The garden, vrt. And the cellar, klet. Let's play the game. Attic, garage, garden, cellar. Now you try it. Attic, cellar. Let's try it one more time. Attic, garage, garden, cellar. Now you try the last one. It's attic, garage, garden, and cellar. Well done.